Welcome to the channel, welcome to the workshop. You might have seen the short last week. I was working on the Scirocco trying to change its speedo cog, and I couldn't. Part of the reason why I couldn't do it by going underneath it was because I needed to dig a trolley jack out because this didn't run up my ramps anymore because it's too low. And the reason why I didn't do it, I want to show you. My shed's in a bit of a state. So as you might have seen from the tour from a couple months ago, my shed's split into two parts. And the first bit is this bit, which is the crap area. This is where the DIY stuff is, my compressor is, and somewhere buried underneath all of that is my trolley jack that I need to get to. Now, normally I have to drag all this out, put it all the way back in again, but this needs a severe tidy up and a clean. So the plan is, because I've got the garage, there's lots of DIY stuff in there. It doesn't need to be held in here anymore. This can go to the garage because if I'm doing DIY, I know doing DIY, I can go and get the paints and stuff. And I want this to have more racking for material storage, car cleaning stuff, and more tools in here. Also, you can see there's a quad bike in here. I bought this 18 months ago to turn into as a project. And it's been sat in here for 18 months taking up room. So that's temporarily going to go to the garage to free up space here. That'll then allow me to get to hit the compressor and then service the compressor, which is back for 6 years and not actually serviced. And then I can sort out some more material storage on this wall because, as you can see, it's all over the place. So first thing to do is get all this out, get it loaded into the van that's going to my garage, and then we can start putting stuff back in and start populating the shelves. There'll be another video showing changing all the material storage and putting shelving and racking in this side, doing the compressor. All these need changing off the compressor as well. The fuel, the water drip lines and the oil line. Because of all this, as you can see, crap started encroaching into the main workshop as well. So I'll just put a time lapse on, go through all this, and yeah, tidy it up. So, as you can see, that's all paint and DIY, various paints for the garden, the house, walls, DIY stuff like mixing trays and paint trays and sample things and adhesives. And already I've cleared best part of 2 shelves out. Granted, there's some stuff in there, but some of this is going into the to the workshop as well. All the high-vis stuff will go back to my office in Manchester. That's all my work-related stuff that can disappear. And we're pretty much left with on here, which we're going to go through some power tools, and then it's automotive stuff like we've got a quick bleed system for brakes and hydraulics, oils, cleaning stuff all over there. So I want to get this lot into the van ready to go, and then there's my chainsaw longboard. Look, I'll get that running this year. But that'll stay in here because I really want to get that running this year. And then I want to clear out all this material storage in here and get all this back in. And then I can get this space open and get some of the crap that's in there back in here stacked up. So I'm going to put all that into the van. spent a bit more time on it, did some sorting out. So all the oils and lubricants and stuff like that, I just pushed the back because don't need access that often. Frees this shelf up to put stuff in that's come out from the main workshop. That's it as it is. That's all my car cleaning stuff. There's some old tools down the back there as well. It's even had a sweep out. There's still some stuff to sort out that's in there, but now I've got this done, I can deal with that now. So just to give you an idea of exactly what's going to be taken to the my garage, the storage. It's all of that. So that's the first step in getting this area sorted out. I need to getting rid of some of the stuff to more relevant storage to free this space up because the main workshop's getting too full of stuff at the moment. Mainly tools that I need to reorganize and make them easy to get to. This will have some work done in here as well. I'll do another video on that, and I'll be servicing my my compressor I think in the next couple of weeks, as well as. But I want to change these as well and change all the fittings. Originally, this was an air line which goes into the workshop, and then we have an oil filled line. These have never really worked properly, so I'll be reconfiguring these as well. At the same time, I service that as well. But thanks for watching. Again, there'll be lots of things. You can see some more projects that were in here, like the quad bike needs sorting out, the chainsaw powered longboard. That's now I can get out, and I can fix the speedo on my Scirocco now. Right, so thanks for watching. I need to go to the garage and dump all the crap in there. So thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye. So if you're still here, I spent another hour in the workshop last night just to get final tidy up, and it looks pretty damn good. Everything's sort of arranged. Things all move, obviously, as I sort things out. But take a look at this. Really, really tidy. That bag's going to the to my works, and all nice and clean. So, I'm into the tip to get rid of the rubbish. If you're still here, thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.